Hello everyone and welcome. Today is a big day for us at Volvo Buses. We are launching a new product developed to support our customers in their daily operation. It's not a bus and it runs from the cloud. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our new customer portal for uptime, productivity and safety services.
Knowledge. Knowledge is the key to improve your business. That's why we created Volvo Connect, that lets you connect all parts of your operation in one system, processing your data to create insights and discover synergies, giving you the right answers, wherever you are, whenever you want, on any device. With Volvo Connect, you have complete control of the health of your fleet. Get vehicle reports, fuel economy, service information, and much more. You can improve driver performance by connecting driver reports with training. The result is safer and more energy-efficient driving and a smoother ride for the passengers. Win-win. With zone management, you can save lives by creating safety zones along the bus route and limit the speed of the bus in dangerous spots. And if you run hybrids, you can lower emissions by optimizing the route for maximum time in electric mode. In the workshop, you can speed up work with remote diagnostic fault codes, making it possible to order the right spare parts prior to upcoming service, and get software packages to keep the vehicles up to date. That's just a few examples of how Volvo Connect can help you gain valuable insights from your operation. Knowledge that is key to create new synergies and improve your business. And you can activate new services online anytime you like. Start connecting.
Volvo Connect will support our customers in many ways. So, Rickard, when can they start connecting?
Actually, they have already started. We have a lot of customers that have been using Volvo Connect for quite some time now. As a matter of fact, I have a live demo with me in the studio right now. Let's have a look. When we have all the data in one place, you can pretty much do anything. You get a great overview of the fleet, or you can zoom into the details of a single bus and study the events, like harsh acceleration or braking. Zone management is another really powerful tool that we have within Volvo Connect. And I'm very proud what we have achieved with this feature in Curitiba, Brazil. Let's go there.
I live in the most beautiful country on the planet. The beach and the surfing are some of the most beautiful you can find. It's the same with the people, the cities, the music, the dance, the carnival, and the sports. My God! Brazilian football is even called o jogo bonito, the beautiful game. We are a passionate, intense people, and unfortunately, so is our traffic. Maybe that's why so many beautiful lives are lost. My name is André Trombini and I work at Volvo Buses in Curitiba, a city with its fair share of traffic accidents. The city council contacted us and together we decided to do something about the situation. Good thing we have created Volvo Connect. After analyzing the situation carefully, we pinpointed danger spots and connected them with the automatic speed limits on our buses using our zone management system. And the results were spectacular. Accidents along our bus routes fell with 50%. And this could be a game changer for many cities in Brazil and of course all over the world. And this is just the beginning for Volvo Connect. There are many more synergies to discover. Start connecting.
That's right, André. Let's start connecting. As you can see, we are really excited about this launch, and we hope that you are too. Thank you so much for joining us today. Please take care and stay safe.